everyone, and welcome back to My Nerdy Kitchen. I'm Rachel, I'm your nerdy chef, and in today's video, we are making the double chocolate ice cream. It is delicious, it is smooth, it is creamy, and so let me show you how we did it. Hello everyone! For the start of our ice cream, we need to separate 5 large eggs. You want to keep the yolks, and I would save the egg whites because you can use them for breakfast or something. And then you are also going to get 2 cups of heavy cream, add that into a saucepan, and 2 cups of whole milk. Also add that into the saucepan. You will need 3/4 cup of sugar, add that into your saucepan, as well as 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Whisk it all together, and you want this to be hot but not simmering. You should melt your chocolate ahead of time because it needs to be cooled. So I popped it into the microwave when this is all being cooked, and then I had to put it into the freezer so that it could cool down. So it wasn't done necessarily right, but that's how I did it because I didn't prep ahead of time. Now it's time to create our egg mixture. You're going to add this chocolate to your eggs, and it is going to get really thick. Mix it all together, and then you're going to temper this egg mixture by taking 1 cup of your milk mixture and add that to the yolk mixture. Mix that all together, and once it's well combined, you're going to add it back into the milk mixture. You, once again, want this to be hot, but not simmering. Do not allow it to boil. Once it's reached that point, pour the whole thing through a sieve and add your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that very well and then cover it with saran wrap. You're going to allow this to sit out until the whole thing is at room temperature. It's only then will you add it to the fridge to cool overnight. I just allowed it to sit overnight because that's what I needed to do. Next day, grab your ice cream maker, add your whole concoction, and allow it to work according to the manufacturer's instructions. So while we wait for the ice cream maker to continue freezing the ice cream, let's go ahead and do our history facts and find out where in the book this is from. So back in the 1600s, ice cream found its way into Europe. Ice cream was reserved for royalty, and therefore King Charles was like, I'm going to keep this for myself and not share it with the peasants. According to legends, King Charles made his cook swear that he would not give out the recipe. But then Charles died and the recipe got out, and therefore we have it today. This recipe is coming to us from Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, Chapter 2. This is when the Dursleys go to the zoo and they take Harry with them. They buy chocolate ice cream cones for Dudley and his friends, but none for Harry. Now, if you recall, we have made what Harry gets. He gets the triple icy lemon pops. So if you click right up here, you can go ahead and watch that video. I'll also leave it in the link below. Okay, I think the ice cream's done, so let's go look. Once it's ready, pour it into an airtight container and allow it to freeze until firm, about 8 hours or overnight. And now it's time to eat it. Let's pull this ice cream out. It smells so good. This shit is delicious. Holy smokes. Thank you for joining me on My Nerdy Kitchen while we made the delicious double chocolate ice cream. I'm gonna go get another scoop and go play some video games. And that's gonna be the close of my evening after work.